Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So this is a bike lock. I'm not sure, probably pretty cheap. Um, I Sometimes I remove bike locks for apartment complexes when people abandon them there, and generally I get to keep the locks that I take off. So this is one of them. This is a cross lock, a cruciform lock. It's got pins in all four sides, and this is a very small cruciform lock. So it definitely was not an easy task to get this thing off of there. I removed it quite a while ago, but it's just been hanging on my shelf, so figure maybe I'll give it a shot. I don't think this is the tensioner I used, but I don't really remember. I think I used a small wiper insert, but nothing really gives you good room in this thing. It's teeny. Let me see. That is a small wiper insert, and that barely will stay in there. Maybe I can get it to, if I seat it just right. I don't know. Maybe a different one. I think the serrations are definitely going to help. Yeah, that ain't going to work. Try this guy here. Nope. Definitely going to be hard to tension this and also give you all a good view of what I'm doing, but well, that one's holding in there, so I might just need to get a bigger hook for those two sides. Well, I got to click out of one pin. That's a good thing. Let's see if I can get a bigger hook in there to take care of those other pins. Tensioner slipped out. Thought I got it open. Oh, I did. Check that out. Alright. Nice. Oh, cool. And the little thing kind of pops out of there too when you get it unlocked. It like twists out. I'll bet that's how the actuator comes out. I'll bet when you twist this, it pushes in. Yep. It's on like a little spiral thing, so you twist that and it goes in and locks, and I just relocked it, but oh well, that's okay. I don't think it's spring loaded or anything either. No, so it's definitely not shimmable, but cool, nice little pick, little cross lock there. Alright all, thanks a lot, take care, have a good one.